And for a leader, what kind of strategies you can use to encourage the growth of women on leadership?
Okay, so I'm going to suggest there are two different things here. First of all, if you're a man in a leadership position, the important thing is to look around. Look around and see how many women you have in your company. And then look at your leadership team and see, is that percentage of women reflected in leadership, or is the only woman leader we have in HR because that's the part of the company that deals with people? If you see that we don't have a similar percentage to the women who work in our company, to the women who are in the population of our country, then what you have to do is decide that I'm going to make a change and I'm going to look for the women in this organization who need help and pull them up. It's not only that we can say, okay, women, you need to speak up, you need to do something, you need to solve the problem. We need to work on this two ways. So if you're a man in a leadership position, look around you, open up your eyes, understand that what we need for the future is creativity and diversity, and pull up those women. If you're a woman, here's the second thing: raise your voice, speak up, apply for jobs within your organization that maybe you look at the job description and 20 things you have experience and are qualified for, and one thing you don't. Oftentimes women say, oh, well, but I don't have this experience, I don't know this, so they don't apply. Well, actually, you can apply and you can learn that one thing. So women, speak up, apply for jobs, and men, pull up the women. We have to work together to solve this problem.